Marijuana tampons may be the end of period cramps. I really think that we all know that this powerful ingredient marijuana is becoming recognized as an effective and beneficial medicinal product, by both the common public and medical professionals alike. It is known to be able to treat a variety of medical conditions ranging from glaucoma to insomnia. But many experts think that this powerful ingredient is probably best known for its use as a painkiller. Well, yes, and it is used to relieve many different types of pain, including pain caused by chemotherapy, inflammatory diseases and injuries. So ladies, have you heard the latest news? Well, apparently a new innovative company in the medicinal cannabis industry may have found an all-natural and highly effective way for women to treat menstrual cramps and pains. And no, they're not actually cannabis tampons, they're small capsules called Foria Relief. The manufacturers say that when inserted directly into the vagina, these cannabis tampons provide powerful pain relief. Just take a look at the video and find out more about this amazing discovery. Cannabis tampons. Here's what you need to know: this product is manufactured and sold by Foria and it's called Foria Relief. Note, as we said, these tampons aren't typically considered to be tampons, well, they are suppositories that are inserted in a similar fashion. This product can even be used along with tampons to maximize their comforting effects. The best thing about these tampons is that they are made out of only 3 natural and super healthy ingredients: organic cocoa butter, THC oil, and CBD isolate. And according to this company, the combination of both THC oil and CBD isolate is meant to activate certain cannabinoid receptors in the pelvic region when introduced into the body. You should also know that this effect causes a decrease in pain and discomfort that often accompanies menstruation, and many users of the product have backed this claim up. The experts say that the cannabinoids found in the suppositories causes the nerves in the uterus, cervix, ovaries to block out pain. It also relaxes any of the surrounding smooth muscle tissue to further increase comfort during menstruation. How to use it? Before you start using this product, you should know that Foria Relief is meant to relieve pain closest to the area where it is inserted. This means it can be inserted vaginally to relieve pain in the womb area often caused by menstruation. Well, some people have also reported benefits from inserting it rectally, claiming that it relieved pain in the back and hip area, places which are also commonly affected by menstruation. A recent study has revealed that all women reported feeling pain and comfort relief around 15 to 30 minutes after insertion. If being used in combination with the typical tampon, Foria Relief should be inserted prior to the tampon. Note, you should also know that it is common to experience some form of leakage a few minutes after insertion, as the cocoa butter will eventually melt after use. And don't forget, when not being used, Foria Relief should be stored in a cool, dry area such as the refrigerator. If it is stored in an area with heat higher than 76 degrees Fahrenheit, it will melt. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and take care.